Indian food is definitely made with love. It's not about Indian food, I would say. I would say all food, whenever you cook, you do it with love. That's the basic ingredient of cooking. My name is Vivek Gulati. I'm from New Delhi, India. My partner is Digvijay Ranawat and Dipanshu Gambhir, and we together founded Not Just Curries. We call this restaurant Not Just Curries because whenever we talk about Indian food, everyone thinks it's just curries, There are different cuisines in India. There are a lot of things like samosas, chicken tikka. All are not curries. The food is much more than that. So my signature dish in the restaurant is chingari tikka. Chingari tikka is, you can say, chicken tikka to another level with fairy spices. First step of making chingari tikka is obviously you cut the chicken boneless, and then you marinate with some spices, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, mustard oil, lemon juice, and then you keep it marinated for over 2 hours. You skewer them and put them in clay oven and cook it in clay oven. When it's ready, you take it out, put it in a bowl, you add some butter, lemon juice, coriander, some chaat masala. You make a sizzling hot plate, put some onions on the plate, put some salad, put the chicken pieces on the sizzler plate and put some butter on it to make it sizzle, and that goes to the table, sizzling hot. Chingari tikka is a very special dish because it's very high on spices and it's got a peculiar vinegar type flavor which it gives a pungent taste to it along with the spices and the butter. If you can handle that threshold of spices, and if you want to really be adventurous and try this, you should go ahead and forget chicken tikka, try my chingari tikka. If you're not able to take the threshold of spices, then you should have a sweet and salt lemon soda, which will give you a little accompaniment for the chingari tikka to tone down your spices while you're having. When the customer comes to my restaurant, I want to take them for a journey of going back to their roots, where they originated, and they get the same taste what they've been missing all these years. I would like everyone to come and try our restaurant because we're cooking with love, we're cooking it authentically, and we don't do any shortcuts. Not just curries, Indian food made with love.